Hello everyone, welcome to IM Express. I hope your preparation is going smoothly. It's a completely new question of geometry and it's very tricky and very nice question. So as usual, pause the video, try it for 3 minutes and then come back for solution, right? So starting with the solution, what is given to us? A pink semicircle is drawn in the yellow semicircle. A pink semicircle is drawn in the yellow semicircle as given in the figure. Find the radius of pink semicircle. This we need to find out. So let's start with the solution. This length is given to us 4 root 3 till the point of contact of pink semicircle, and this length is given to us 6 root 3. So can I say diameter? Can I say diameter of yellow semicircle? Diameter of yellow semicircle should be equivalent to 4 root 3 plus 6 root 3, which easily we can say 10 root 3. So what can be the radius of yellow semicircle? What is the radius of yellow semicircle? It should be half of diameter, or easily we can say 5 root 3. So radius of the yellow semicircle is 5 root 3. How can we use it? Suppose this is the center. Suppose this is the center O, then we can say from here to here this length is 5 root 3. This length is 5 root 3. And also from here to here this length is also radius. This should also be 5 root 3. So if from this point to this point length is 5 root 3 and this length is 4 root 3, can I say the remaining should be 5 root 3 minus 4 root 3? The remaining should be only root 3. I hope it's clear. See again, from center of the semicircle till here, this length is 5 root 3. Same from the center till this point, we can say this is also radius 5 root 3. And if from here to here it is 5 root 3 and this length is 4 root 3, means I can say from this point of contact to the center of semicircle, the length is root 3, right? So we can see in the picture, this length is root 3, this length is 5 root 3 and this length is 4 root 3, right? Now if I assume this is the center of yellow semicircle, which is O, and this we can assume the center of pink semicircle, I can say P. If I assume the center of yellow semicircle is O and center of pink semicircle is P. So for the pink semicircle, base of the yellow semicircle is tangent, and if I join P with the point of contact of tangent, this should be perpendicular. I hope it's clear. P is the center of pink semicircle and this point is given to us the point of contact of the pink semicircle with the diameter which is tangent of pink semicircle. So if I join the point of contact of tangent to the center, it is always perpendicular to the tangent, means I can say this length is perpendicular. If I join P with point O, if I join P with point O, this is a right angled triangle, and in the right angle this length is given to us 3 and this length is radius of pink semicircle, I can assume R, radius of pink semicircle, which I can assume R. So what is the length of PO? What is the length of PO? Using the Pythagoras theorem, I can easily say PO square equals R square plus root 3 whole square. PO square is what? R square plus root 3 whole square. So PO square should be equivalent to R square plus 3. What is PO square? PO square is R square plus 3, or I can say PO is the square root of R square plus 3. This we have got. So we have got PO is R square plus 3. Now this is point P and this is point O, and PO we have just find out PO is square root of r square plus 3. The base of the pink semicircle. The base of the pink semicircle, if I assume it as AB, it will be the chord of the yellow semicircle. AB, which is the base of pink semicircle, will be the chord of the yellow semicircle. And if I join midpoint of chord to the center, if I join midpoint of the chord to the center, line joining from the center, which is O, to midpoint of the chord, which is P, because these two are radius. Midpoint P should be midpoint of AB. So if I join the point O, which is center of yellow semicircle, with the chord, with the midpoint of chord AB, it is always perpendicular. It is always perpendicular. So this angle should be right angle. And now I can join B with O. I can join the point B with O easily. PB is what? The radius of pink semicircle, which is R. PO, that we know, it's R square plus 3 square root of R square plus 3. And what is BO? BO is the radius of yellow semicircle, which we have got recently. It's 5 root 3. It's 5 root 3. Now we can use Pythagoras theorem in the triangle PBO. In triangle PBO, we can use Pythagoras theorem, which says hypotenuse BO square equal to the sum of square of other two sides, which is R square plus R square plus 3. Square of this, square root of R square plus 3 will be R square plus 3 only. And what is BO square? BO square is 5 root 3 whole square. BO square is 5 root 3 whole square, which is R square plus R square plus 3. 5 root 3 whole square is 75 equals 2R square plus 3. Here I can say 2R square is 72 and R square is 36 and R the value is 6, because radius can be positive only. So the value of R is 6 centimeter. Answer option A. So right answer will be A. I hope it's clear. If there is any doubt, you can write in the comment box. Thank you.